In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Workspace in Microsoft Edge in just a few quick steps. If you've been looking for a simple way to organize your browsing, separate projects, or keep your tabs more structured, this feature can be a real time saver. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main settings and options menu for Edge. From there, scroll down and click on Settings. This is where you can control the appearance and behavior of the browser. Inside Settings, look at the left-hand menu and click Appearance. The Appearance section is where Microsoft Edge keeps a lot of the visual and toolbar customization options. Once you're in Appearance, scroll until you find the Toolbar section. This area lets you decide which buttons and features appear on the Edge toolbar, so you can make the browser work better for your workflow. Now in the toolbar settings, look for the Workspace option. You should see a toggle next to it. Simply switch that toggle on to enable Workspace in Edge. As soon as you turn it on, the Workspace feature should become available in your browser toolbar, giving you easier access to this productivity tool whenever you need it. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to make sure you're signed into the correct Edge profile and that your browser is updated to the latest version. Sometimes features may appear differently depending on your version of Edge or your account settings. So a quick update can help if the option isn't showing. Once Workspace is enabled, you can start using it to keep your browsing more organized and separate to different tasks more cleanly. This is especially useful if you work on multiple projects, research different topics, or just want a better way to manage your tabs without clutter. And that's it. You've now enabled Workspace in Microsoft Edge. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how you browse and stay organized. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.